on, guys? JT43 here, and in this video I want to be showing how to replace a taillight bulb on a 2011 Scion Tc. So I'm just going to jump right into it. The things that you're going to need is obviously your bulbs and a flathead screwdriver. So on my car, this is the taillight that's out, and if you don't know how to get to the taillights, you can pop your hatch. All this stuff is behind this little plastic piece right here. So then next what you're going to do is you're going to take your flathead screwdriver and you're just going to carefully get in between this gap right up here, because you know, you don't want to fuck up this plastic and make it look all like shredded and shit. And you're just gonna slightly lift up until it pops, just like that. You want to be careful too, because you don't want to fuck up any of these clips, so you just want to do it carefully. Just carefully like pry that shit out. So what's nice about this being all open is you don't have to take the whole taillight off just to do this shit. So if you have a blinker out, this one's your blinker right here, and then obviously this one up here is the taillight. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna unplug these wires, unplug them just like that. And then up here, so this is your taillight right here. So you're just gonna turn to the left, which unlocks it, and then you're just gonna pull it out just like that. And then you can just kind of remove the bulb, just kind of pull it out. So once you got your new bulb, they say not to touch it with your fingers because the oil's on your fingers, but I don't really have any gloves. And so once you have your new bulb in, you're just gonna simply put it back in, find the little grooves, which are right here, just like that. And then once they're in the grooves, you're just gonna lock it back to the right. You should hear a little clicking sound too, like that. And then that's how you know it's secure. So once you have your new bulb back in, you're gonna go ahead and plug these wires back in. So then after you have that plugged in, go ahead and grab your plastic piece. And then these little plastic grabbers right here, those are gonna go in first on the bottom, just like that. And then you can kind of snap it back in. And so once you put that plastic piece back on, you're pretty much finished. So now that that's put in, both of my taillights should be working now. Let's check it out. Yep, both lights are working. Anyway, if you did enjoy the video, or if this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.